A very sweet morning to you all, my dear students. Hope you all are well and good. I welcome you all to the online classes of chemistry. In previous lecture, I told you about the mole concept, which may be expressed in terms of mass, number, and volume. Okay, now we shall move on to the next topic, that is relationship of mole to mass of the particles and numbers. Okay, one thing I want to tell you, my dear children, is that in previous lecture only I had explained the today's topic also. Okay, so go through it. Today, as we have completed this topic theoretically, we will see some calculations related to mole concept in terms of mass, number, and volume. So, my dear children, these are some formulas which we have to use while performing numericals. Okay, wherever it requirement is there, we have to pick up that formula and use it in our questions and get the solutions. So, learn thoroughly this formulas. Okay. Now see which type of numericals we have to solve on mole concept. Okay. Again and again I am saying, my dear children, learn this formula properly. Type 1. Calculation of number of moles in a given mass or vice versa. Calculate the number of moles in 100 gram of iron, 100 gram of water. Atomic masses given. Okay, so two methods are given. Okay. So first method or second method, any of you can use. I think second one is easy one, so you will use this method. Okay, calculation of number of moles. So 100 gram of iron I am telling, and 100 gram of water you have to do as a practice. Okay, so number of moles is equal to given mass in grams divided by molar mass. So given mass is 100 gram, molar mass is 56. 56 U is converted into gram because gram atomic mass we are taking. So on solving this, we will get 1.786 moles. As per type, you see vice versa word is given. So just opposite questions also we will solve. In previous one we have to take out the mole of it, and now we have to calculate the mass. Okay, one I am telling 0.5 mole of silver, 0.5 mole of sugar. You have to do it by your own. All the values are given in your question itself. Okay, so two methods are given. We will use second one. We have to find out the mass. So mass in gram is equal to number of moles into molar mass in gram mole inverse. So by putting the value 0.5 into 108. Okay, on multiplying it we will get 54 gram. This is the required answer. 0.5 mole of sugar is homework for you. Okay. Type 2. Calculation of number of atoms or molecules in a given mass or vice versa. Calculate the number of atoms of gold in 1 gram of gold, number of molecules of water in a drop of water weighing 0.05 gram. Okay. First one I am telling second you do it by your own. So you have to first of all take out calculation of number of moles. Okay, we know the formula. Given mass in gram upon molar mass. Given mass is 1 gram and molar mass is 197 U. Okay, so in gram we have to find out, that's why 197 U will be replaced by gram mole inverse. So 1 upon 197 mole. Now calculation of number of atoms. What you will do, the formula we will use, number of atoms is equal to number of moles into Avogadro's number. So by multiplying 1 upon 197 with Avogadro number 6.022 into 10 to the power 23, we will get 3.06 into 10 to the power 21 atoms. Okay, second one is homework for you, my dear children. Okay, now again vice versa question is coming. Okay, here you have to calculate the mass. So formula is small n is equal to capital N upon N0. Okay, so small m is equal to n into m is equal to n upon N0. Okay, so given is 10 to the power 21 upon Avogadro number into 38 gram is equal to 0.39 and 395 gram, which is equal to 395 mg, since 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligram. Second one you do it by your own. Okay, next is type 3, calculation of the actual mass of a single atom or molecule. Calculate the mass of an atom of copper, a molecule of carbon dioxide. An atom of copper I'm telling, okay? 1 mole of copper atom is equal to 63.5 gram. Value is given in your question itself. Okay. 1 mole of copper atom is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 Avogadro number. Okay. So, 1 atom of Cu will be given mass 63.5 upon gram atomic mass, that is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. On solving we'll get 10.54 into 10 to the power minus 23 gram. Okay. Calculate the number of constituent particles in the given mass of a compound. Type 4. Calculate the number of the constituent atoms in 53 gram of Na2CO3. All the values are given in the question. 1 mole of Na2CO3 sodium carbonate is 2 into 23. Okay, atomic number of sodium is 23 plus 12 carbon's value plus 3 into oxygen value 16. On multiplying and adding, we'll get 106 gram. So 106 gram Na2CO3 is equal to 1 mole of Na2CO3. So as per question, we have to find out for 53 gram of Na2CO3. So 1 upon 106 multiplied 53, we will get 0.5 mole of Na2CO3. Okay, from the formula Na2CO3, 1 mole of Na2CO3 contains 2 mole of Na plus ions, 1 mole of C atoms and 3 mole of O atoms. So 0.5 mole of Na2CO3 will contain 1 mole of Na plus ions, just half, 0.5 mole of C atoms and 1.5 moles of O atoms. Okay, and 1 mole of atoms is equal to Avogadro number 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. So 1 mole of Na plus ions is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 Na plus ions. Okay, and what about 0.5 mole of C atoms? 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 into 0.5. Okay, on multiplying we will get the required result, that is 3.011 into 10 to the power 23 C atoms. And what about O atoms? Again we will multiply it with 1.5. So we'll get 9.033 into 10 to the power 23 O atoms. In this way we will find the constituent atoms of each single particles present in a compound. Okay. Now fifth one is arranging in terms of decreasing and increasing masses. Arrange the following in order of increasing masses. Okay. So one I am telling, you find out all the 5 and tell me how to arrange. Okay, that one is also homework for you. First one I am telling how to find out, then you find for the rest 4. Okay, 1 gram of Ag. Okay, we have to find out 1 gram of Ag is equal to 108 gram. 108 value is given in the question itself. So 0.1 gram atom of Ag. So simply 0.1 multiplied by 108 gram and you'll get the answer 10.8 gram. All the 4 you will do it by your own. Okay. Now last is calculation of molar masses. 10 to the power 22 atoms of an element X are found to have a mass of 930 mg. Calculate the molar mass of the element X. Okay, so how we will solve? 2 methods are given. We will go for second one. Okay, by the formula n is equal to capital N upon N0. Also n is equal to small m upon capital M. Okay, or m is equal to, m is going left side and n is coming this side. Okay, so by solving it we will get 0.930 gram, which is mass, into 10 to the power 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 upon 10 to the power 22, and on solving we'll get 56.0 gram mole. By simply all the values are given in the question. 0.930 gram is in question itself. 930 mg is converted into gram. So I am taking 0.930 gram into Avogadro's number divided by 10 to the power 22 atoms. Okay, so answer will be 56.0 gram mole inverse. So these are the numericals. Okay, you practice this numericals. Okay, my dear children. Now we came to an end of this class. Next class I will come again with a new topic. Okay, thank you for hearing me.